So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to turn off email notifications on the Fiverr mobile application. So once Fiverr is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right and press on the profile icon. Once you're on this page right here, just scroll down a little bit to where it says settings and then press on preferences. Then on this page, I want you to go ahead and I want you to go to the top and press on notifications and then press on email notifications. Now once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and turn on or turn off all of the email notifications that are being sent to you right now. So in my case, they are all turned on. But for example, if you wanted to turn off, invoice or inbox messages, you can flick that off. You can, flick off whatever you want. If you want to turn it back on to receive them, you can do that the exact same way here. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to turn off email notifications on the Fiverr mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.